Tanaw sa jersey, Ball between Russell and Pian. So with the inbound. That's Pobres to Mansalay for 3. Wala, Naido with the rebound. Nice pass. De Jesus to Sam. Naido with the jump shot. Go good. Corvo with the rebound. Wow! De Jesus again. Corvo again. Being moved. No good. Traveling. Where are you going, my idol? Joshua Corvo. 4 minutes and 7 seconds. Giritan with the ball. Dondon, Tio Dondon, pass to RR. The pass to Park. PL for 3. Too strong. Rebound by Roman. No go. De Jesus with a rebound. Corvo. Pass to Las Pobres. Jeffer. Naido. 3 minutes and 30. Giritan down shot. Wala. So we are still scoreless with 3 minutes and 30. Las Pobres bringing down the ball. Corvo. Mansalay for 3. Wala. So both teams are struggling in shooting. Okay, so 3 minutes and 10 seconds. In the first frame of the first quarter.
Nice.
Two zero. Naido, wala. 2 minutes and 45. Bartoses, yes! 4-0 is our score. 4-0. Naido. Mansalay for 3. Wala. Jesus. Power move. Wala. Mansalay. Wala. Gihapon. Jesus. Grabe depensa ng Vipers. Barongan bringing down the ball. Crossover. Kick out to Bartoses for 3. Yes, sir! Pian Bartoses. 3. 7-0 is our score. 2 minutes and 16 seconds. Mansalay for 3. No good. Still can find a shot. Giritan. Bartoses again. For 3. Yes, sir! Back-to-back 3 for Pian Bartoses. Showing the old school Pian. Timeout. Oh, sorry. Foul. Our score is 10. Las Pobres. Ten zero is our score. 1 minute and 27. Steal by Jesus. First 2 points. Yes. Jesus, 2 points. Duhay Lungsod, yes! 1 minute, 12-2 is our score. Naido. Mansalay for 3. No good. 53 seconds. Bartoses. 17-second shot clock. Barongan, almost good. De Jesus, Las Pobres. Corbo, yes. 30 seconds. 30 seconds left. 12-4 is our score. Bartoses. Giritan, jump shot. Yes, sir. Tio Dondon. 16 seconds left. Las Pobres, Corbo. Foul. First shot is Nupi Cantado. Alright. Ursal. Wala. 5 minutes. Wala. Foul. No basket. No good. Foul. Iwan. 14-5 is our score. Four minutes, 29. 14-5 is our score. 14-5. Foul. So, Channel Buena. No. $14-7, 3 minutes and 40. What a trash talk by the captain, Christian Waybuena. Bilasbin, Bossing, kamusta ang buhay?
Ay!
Oops, no foul call. Okay, between Rosano and Salinas, former teammates sa Egus. 14-7. 14-7. Gino Rosano. EY Julius. What a defense. Ursal. Floater. No good. Ursal Waybuena with the rebound. Pass to Nupi. What a layup by Nupi. Cantado 2 points. 2 minutes and 24. EY. No foul call. Time. Scoreless gihapon. What a defense by foul. Foul on EY. Penalty daw, penalty. Two misses by Flores. Rebound. Rosano. EY, yes sir! No good. 69 sa score, Cantado. Wala. Julius to EY, 3 on 1. Layup, yes! Mark EY scores again, 28 seconds. 18-9 is our score. Vipers leading by 9 points. Flores 2 points. Yes sir! Money in the bank. Favorite shot of Rob Flores, Orsal. Fake. Wala. Bossing, kamusta ang buhay-buhay? Wow. 5 segundos. Ready? Go! No time na rep.